Hi again. In this video we're going to talk about that how to count number of occurrence of a character in a string in Python programming language. First, let's make a string. Let's call it, I don't know, maybe Canadian cities, and let's put few cities inside our string. Let's add Toronto, Montreal and Vancouver. Now if we want to check occurrence of some of those characters, we'll use method count and we'll put as an argument the letter which we want to check its number of occurrence in this string. So for example, let's choose letter O and let's count number of occurrence. Number of occurrence is 5, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times letter O. Let's check, for example, what will happen if we want to check number of occurrence of some letter that don't exist in our string. For example, letter X. We will get that number of occurrence of letter X is 0. Okay, and for practice we could maybe choose just another one letter, I don't know, maybe letter R, and the number of occurrence of our letter R number 3. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. See you in some next video. Bye bye.